After ditching its own Exynos processors in its recent Galaxy S22 series handsets, it looks like Samsung could be bringing the soap back for future phones. As a new rumor sheds light, the brand could make use of Exynos processors in its upcoming Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S23 FE. The news comes from Pocket-Lint, with the outlet receiving the information from a reliable source. Apparently, similar to before, the company would only use the Exynos processor in certain regions. However, the new change could come soon, with the processor showing up in the upcoming Galaxy S23 FE, and may even arrive in the Galaxy S24, slated to arrive sometime in 2024. While utilizing another chip wouldn't usually be an issue, Samsung's Exynos line, unfortunately, has a bad track record, with performance issues and other problems surfacing on Galaxy S22 handsets. Our own lead technical editor, Adam Conway, experienced these problems firsthand with the Galaxy S22 Ultra, with lag and display problems. Since Samsung chooses to utilize Qualcomm's Snapdragon processors in other regions, clearly consumers can experience the difference in quality firsthand. As far as when consumers can expect to see the Galaxy S23 FE, the source states that the handset is scheduled to arrive later this year. As far as looks go, the leaked renders show us a handset that is quite similar to Samsung's other models released this year. So unfortunately, there's nothing too exciting on that front. Of course, while there's a lot of uneasiness with this news, there's always the chance that Samsung will offer an improved Exynos experience when the processor is released. The company is most likely well aware of past issues with its chip, so there's no reason to believe that it'll continue to make the same mistakes going forward, hopefully. With that said, let's hope that its latest Exynos processors will perform similarly to competitors' SoCs. But before that, we have Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked, set to take place in Seoul with the arrival of its latest foldables. Be sure to get your reservation in before the event in order to save $50. Given Samsung's history of performance issues with its Exynos processors, why do you think the company is considering bringing them back for future phones? Do you think they will be able to improve the performance of their Exynos processors to the point where they are competitive with Qualcomm's Snapdragon processors? Do let us know your thoughts about it in the comments section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.